You see how you jerked a little bit?
I feel like I'm not hitting anything because it.
I know, and that's when you gotta take your time. Just anticipate the jerk, but don't just hold it as firm as you can. See how you're right before you're tensing up, you're squeezing?
Mm-hmm.
Just stay loose. Only your finger, just squeeze it, don't jerk it. There you go, look, you hit it again.
Oh man.
It's good. Stay loose. Look at you. That's 2, you get better. Straighten your arm just a little bit.
Which one? Both of them?
Yeah, there you go.
Just gotta tuck her thumb.
Huh?
Tuck her thumb.
You got it again.
How close I got it.
I know. Now remember, stay relaxed. Keep your thumb in. Got it again. Look at you. Still got 2 more rounds.